Hey guys, welcome back to Tech IVP channel, and today I'm going to present you how you have to install Katalon Studio in your system and what exactly the system requirement which is recommended by the Katalon Studio about your Windows, Mac operating system and the Linux. But before going to the next level, guys, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this channel. So this will be really helpful to Tech IVP channel to build more amazing content for you. So guys, now let's start and let's discussion about what exactly the system requirement and how to install Katalon Studio in your system. Okay, so this one is a basic requirement which is uh, presented by the Katalon Studio. So for the window you have to use Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11. Katalon Studio will be applicable to install on this operating system as well as on the Mac operating system and the Linux operating system. And if I talk about the hardware, then hardware is already they have disclosed here, and the minimum RAM requirement, disk space in your system once you have to install Katalon Studio in your system, as well as resolution, what exactly. Okay, after that, once you have to install Katalon Studio, so Java is required in your system. Okay, the bundle with Katalon Studio, so no separate installation is required. Okay, but once you have to install, then it will be by default installed on your system. Okay, and about the browser, once you have to going with the web automation testing, then you have to require the browsers, because web is only test on the browser. Web application you have to test only the browser. So that's why you need a latest version about your browser on which you are going to be test. It's like with Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, Internet Explorer. Okay, and the mobile testing, for the mobile testing, it's recommended you to install Android SDK in your system. In later on video I will show you how to install Android SDK once we have to reach on the mobile automation testing. Okay, as well as I'll show you how you have to install Xcode in your Mac operating system, but in a later video. Okay, so for now we are just going with the web automation testing using the browsers. Okay, so steps to installation. So firstly you have to visit on the Katalon Studio official website. This one is the official website, and here is you get a button download. You have to just click on this button, and after that it will automatically check your system hardware operating system as well as, and show you a download recommendation. Okay, so after that, once you have to click on this one, and there is a download file, zip file will be downloaded in your system, and now you have to just double click on the Katalon exe file and launch this one. Okay, the same thing you have to done on the Mac and the Linux. Okay, but in the Linux you have to use tar file. Okay, so this one is the official website. Here you have to just click on, and after that it will be show your download studio. Okay, and this will automatically fetch from your system what exactly is your window is version 10 and 64-bit. So it will show you recommendation. So right now I'm going to use a trial version because my version is a enterprise version, but later on I will upgrade this one. Okay, so after, once you have to install this Katalon Studio in your system, then you need to be activate. Okay, by your using your personal email ID or using your official email ID. Okay, so once you have to done this one, then you have to be perform your test execution as well as configuration integration with CI/CD tools, cloud service it will provide. Okay, so this one is the whole about the installation process. So thank you guys, please subscribe to get more update. Thank you, have a nice day.